Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, April 7th, 2023. It is 2:26 and 10 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, ultrasound, cancer treatment. So let's hop to it here. Ultrasound activates anti-cancer agent, date April 5th, 2023. Source, Ruhr University. Chemotherapy treatments produce strong side effects. A new agent that accumulates in the tumor tissue and is activated there by ultrasound waves does not have this problem. As platinum complexes are among the most commonly used drugs against cancer, they are successful but have severe side effects. Researchers develop a complex that accumulates in tumor tissue and is activated there by ultrasound waves. Its cell-damaging effect thus only unfolds where it is actually unwanted. Where previous studies relied on light activations that can only penetrate a few millimeters deep into the tissue, researchers have now developed a treatment method with ultrasound activation that penetrates several centimeters deep into the body. The scientific research investigators note this can make treatment with few side effects possible even for large and deep-seated tumors. The platinum-2 complexes, cisplatin, oxaliplatin, and carboplatin, are among the most commonly used cancer drugs. Their clinical success is offset by severe side effects such as nausea, vomiting, kidney damage, and bone marrow suppression. And to overcome these limitations, major research efforts have been invested in the development of so-called platinum-4 complex prodrugs over the past decades. These prodrugs are stable and inactive, so they are completely harmless. In healthy tissue, they are supposed to stay that way. In cancer tissue, however, they should be rapidly converted into the therapeutically active platinum-2 complexes. Energy is required for the reduction of the metal complex. Previous studies reported activation with ultraviolet, blue or red light. The problem is that light can only penetrate less than a centimeter deep into the body and thus does not reach many tumors. And to overcome this limitation, the team has now for the first time combined platinum-4 complex prodrugs with sonosensitizers that can be selectively activated with ultrasound irradiation. As to develop a therapeutically effective complex, the researchers encapsulated the platinum-4 complex prodrugs and the sonosensitizers together in the hemoglobin to form nanoparticles. Researchers were able to observe that the nanoparticles selectively accumulated in a mouse intestinal tumor after injection into the bloodstream, thus supporting targeted treatment. After irradiation with ultrasound, the platinum-4 prodrug was activated at the tumor site, triggering the release of cisplatin, which is toxic to cells, and almost completely eradicating the tumor. As these results could pave the way for the development of novel techniques and agents for the treatment of very large or deep-seated tumors, ultrasound can penetrate more than an order of magnitude deeper in the tissue than near-infrared light. In addition, ultrasound treatments are generally considered to be less invasive and easy to use. Another advantage is that hospitals are generally already equipped with the necessary equipment. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.